Hello, I'm Derek, and welcome to Hindsight 101, where you'll learn about things that will help you in everyday life. Now, I've done a series of videos on how to replace a Moen cartridge for your shower. So if you're looking for that, this is not the video. Check out the links in the description, and I have videos on that explaining how to do that. Now, also, I've done videos on different tools that you can use to remove the cartridge. Now, that's also link in the description. Check that out. So recently I came about this new tool that's come around, and I wanted to check it out. I haven't tried it out yet. This will be the first time, but I wanted to see how this one stacks up against some of the other ones. I've done some for a very low price, like $15, and some from a high price, like $200. So it just depends on kind of your budget, what you're looking for, and then how easy you want it to be. Now, my initial impressions of this one would be, I would recommend this one for two reasons based off of price and quality if it works out. Now, why I say that is because the one that's $15 you can pick up like at any hardware store is made out of very cheap materials. So if you have a stuck cartridge, it's a one-time tool. I don't like buying one-time tools. Now, and also the price for this one is around $50. So the other ones range from like $15, $80, and $200. So this has a nice little sweet spot, and you might even catch it on sale. So that's why I definitely wanted to test this one out. It's similar to some of the other ones that I have shown, kind of the design, stuff like that. So right here, it just has some very basic instructions on how to use it. And then it has this little screw right here that you have to screw into the cartridge. And then this handle that you spin, they even give you a little arrow right here on how to use it. You're supposed to spin it this way. And then what happens is you take that screw, you put it into the cartridge, and then once it's secure in there, you just start spinning this, and it will slowly pull the cartridge out. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So let's go test this out. And also any of the things that I mentioned, there'll be links in the description if you want to purchase them. Let's go. So real quick, because people have asked me, when you get a new cartridge, you get this little white piece in there and they want to know what's it for, how to use it. So basically, so you don't have to buy any tools, you can use this little white piece to try to take the cartridge off. In previous videos, I said, toss it, it's useless, but since people want to know, I'm going to show you. So all you have to do is take the white piece, and you have these two little teeth, I guess you can say, that are sticking out. You just have to line them up with the outside of the cartridge, slide it on like so, and it fits. And then you just have to squeeze, twist, and pull. You have to clamp down really hard and try to pull it out. And if you have a stuck cartridge, this thing is not coming out with this little plastic piece. But that's how you use it. Really easy. Like I said, squeeze down and then start twisting and pulling out, and that will hopefully work out the cartridge. So, hope that helps. Let's get to the actual video. So here, like I said, you have this screw right here, and you're going to screw it right here into this little brass piece. So quick side note, these little teeth protruding out right here normally would line up with the housing, but for some reason mine doesn't have that. So I'm going to have to just line it up as best I can so it doesn't slip off. So you can see right here, there's a little bit of a gap. So you can see it's supposed to slide into some metal, but here there's a gap. So I just gotta steady it and make sure it's on there properly. And then all I'm going to do is put that screw into the brass piece until it's firmly in there. Okay, now that it's securely in there, all I want to do is start twisting. Then I can feel a little bit of pressure. And then as I start turning, it's going to, you'll look at that little white piece, you're going to see it start to pull out. Slowly but surely, you see it pulling out from the housing. And you just keep twisting and twisting and twisting until it's all the way out. And then there you go. It's removed. Hope this helps. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. If you want to see more, check out some of my other videos. Take care.